Christina. I knew my life was about to change. From the moment we first spoke, I knew it could only change for the better. It's so hard for me to describe my love for you in words, so for my last promise, I promise to show you this for the rest of my life.
Staring at the ceiling, lost in regret, holding out for your love with your ring in my hand.
She's like ridiculously kind, ridiculously sweet, will do anything for you.
It's been an absolute pleasure watching you grow up into a beautiful, clever, compassionate and lovely young lady.
I'm so glad Tom has you in his life, and I couldn't think of a better match for him.
There's just something about it that's just different to everyone else I've ever met.
Honey, when we're older, you and I will love all that will be. Looking back and seeing everything we've done in every piece.
He's always been there for me. He's not just my brother, he's my inspiration.
Tom, you're a very special young man.
He has a very cheeky smile, has a very kind heart.
We couldn't be prouder of the man that Tom's become today.
Every year that passes, our love grows deep.
We met about 6 years ago through a mutual friend on a night out.
I always thought she was interested in him because she was following us wherever we went, and then everywhere I turned around, she was there. It was quite weird. We went on 3 dates in 3 days.
2 weeks later we were together and now we're here.
The hurts, the scars won't define who we are. Honey, when we're older, you and I will love all that will be. Looking back and seeing everything we've done in every piece.
And we are so glad that he and Christina have got married.
Now as you begin your married life with Tom, I know we will always be there for you.
You are each other's rock, and it's a testament to your love for one another.
Honey, when we're older, you and I will love all that will be. Looking back and seeing everything we've done in every piece.
Tom, I'm so proud of the person you are. I always knew that we would be standing here one day. From our very first date, when we sat on that bench and spoke for over an hour about our dreams in life, I knew that you were my person. I love you, and I'm so excited to be your wife.
Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go.
Hearing Tom's vows, to hear what he's got to say, I'm really looking forward to it.
If she makes me cry, I'm going to be pissed off.
You are and always will be the love of my life.
And I've vowed to always protect you from harm.
It now gives me the greatest pleasure to pronounce you to be husband and wife. Thomas, you may kiss your bride.
You got what I need. Set me
after him.
And here's to a long and happy life together.
Tom and Christina.